It's a 2006 Honda Rancher, and this is the angle sensor. So what you're gonna do, you come down here, and here's, I believe, the angle motor. Well, underneath it, down there, that piece is the angle sensor. Mine is missing a little silver bracket that goes over the top of it. So anyways, there's silver bracket you're gonna have to take off. It's got 10mm screws. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna come down here, there's a little push tab, and it's gonna pop off. You can see this part right here. Pushes down, and you'll pull it off. And then next, when you get in there, you will have 2 Allen wrench heads, screws that you gotta pull out. So I've already loosened those up a little bit. Let's see if I can film it as I'm doing this. So I've loosened them up, and right here you can see these screws. I'm undoing the first one, and it will pop out. There you go. And there's another one right below it. Now just pivot a little bit, you can see that. So I'm going to undo it as well. I already undid it with the Allen wrench. And so now it pops off. So here's what you've got. You've got this piece right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take and you're going to put the new piece back on there, just like this. I've heard or seen that some of the ones don't have this gasket, so don't lose it, as you may need it. So like I said, you're going to put it back on there, back on, put those Allen screws back on here that look like this, and then tighten it up, and then you're going to reconnect this piece back in. So here's how it will go in. It'll go in like so when you're putting it back on. Put it inside there. If you have any questions, let me know.